Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily add frame to your Miro dashboard. So what you want to do is just simply click here frame, and then you can have a custom frame, A4 frame letter 6943121 or iPhone tablet. And what you can do is, let's say I'm going to paste it as A4. Now I'm going to have a frame which is going to be A4. And what I can do, I can make it bigger if I want to. I can simply take and insert into the frame tasks that I have here. Right, like this. A smile. Now when I'm going to hold, you can always move frame. Then you need to double click on it on the upper side of the frame. Like this. And now I have multiple tasks in my frame and I can simply move it. And then you can simply take something else from the frame. So yeah, you click on a frame right here and it's automatically, you can move it. And then you're gonna like look at this, export this board, save as PDF. Now I'm going to export it, and straight away I have two of my frames here. And why it happened? Only because for every PDF page there is going to be one frame, and every single frame is going to be as one PDF page. So this is something you have to keep in mind. And that's really good how we can actually use Miro. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.